Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. According to the ICP-DAS framework for Industry 4.0, under which category does system health diagnosis fall? So these are the option: energy, safety, M2M, manufacturing. So let's check the answer of our first question. Question first, system health diagnosis. So the answer of our first question is D, manufacturing. Now the second question is Kaiser Compressoren coined a new term for their service-based business model in which user pay per cubic meter of compressed air used. What is this model called? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, Kaiser Compressoren air as a service. Air as a service, user pay per cubic meter of air from company's own compressors. So the answer of our second question is D, air as a service. Now, the third question is which company is highlighted for its use of smart glasses for fault detection in its manufacturing process? So these are the option: Kuka, Maersk, B, Boeing, Cisco. So let's check the answer for our third question. Question third, Boeing smart glasses for fault detection. So the answer of our third question is C, Boeing. Now the fourth question is what is a business model as defined by the business model generation book? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, a business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and capture value. So the answer of our fourth question is B. Now, the fifth question is which IoT business model relieves the customer from the responsibilities of ownership and maintenance, focusing on a pay-per outcome approaches? So these are the options: subscription model, asset sharing model, outcome-based model, IoT as a service. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, outcome-based model, business deliver to the customer the outcome benefits that the product service provider pay per outcome. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now, the sixth question is in a cloud-based business model, how do customers typically access services? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, cloud-based business model, they lease the cloud computing resources temporarily. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now, the seventh question is what is the primary purpose of the revenue model in service-oriented business model in IIoT? So these are the option: only subscription fees, physical sales, monetization of collected data, rental income. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, service oriented business model, direct and indirect monetization of data. So the answer of our seventh question is C, monetization of collected data. Now the eighth question is which type of cloud based business model aims at providing the required hardware and software online in the cloud? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, infrastructure. Question 8, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, aim at providing required hardware and software online in the cloud. So the answer of our eighth question is C, infrastructure as a service. Now the ninth question is what is the purpose of the industrial internet reference architecture, IIRA? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, IIRA is a broadly applicable in the industrial allow interoperability guide technology. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now the 10th question is an IIoT product is being tested in different continents for performance, standardization, and interoperability before it released. Which organization is most likely facilitating this? So these are the option: IEEE, Industrial Internal Consortium, ISO, and IST. So the answer. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, Industrial Internet Consortium, promotion of open standards, interoperability for technology. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Now the 11th question is which of the following is an example of lagging KPI for OSH? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our 11th question. So question 11, number of lost time incident frequency rate, lagging KPI. So the answer of our 11th question is C. Now the 12th question is in the usage viewpoint, which element of an activity defines the conditions under which the activity is initiated? So these are the option: workflow, effects, constraints, trigger. So let's check the answer of our 12th question. So question 12, trigger, condition under which the activity is initiated. So the answer of our 12th question is D, trigger. Now the 13th question is in the context of the usage viewpoint of the industrial internet reference architecture, what is considered the basic unit of work? So these are the options: system, network, component, task. So let's check the answer of our 13th question. So 13th question, Task is basic unit of work carried out by a party assuming a role. So the answer of our 13th question is D, task. Now the 14th question is, which of the following represent key features of the process oriented business model? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 14th question. So question 14, process optimization resulting in reduces downtime, increase machine availability, optimize processes within a company and across company borders. So the answer of our 14th question is D, all of the above. Now the 15th question is, fill in the blanks. TAS is an electrical framework that provide two-way communication between the consumers and suppliers with the help of smart meter, smart appliances and energy efficient resources. It efficiently deliver electricity to the consumer. So these are the options: smart grid, load balancer, railways signaling system, none of these. So let's check the answer of our 15th question. So question 15, real-time innovation, smart grid, smart energy management system with connects DDS, integrated apps and device scalable, secure and reliable. So the answer of our 15th question is a smart grid. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.